Hey everybody, once again I have a video for you for kinda out for the trash. So today we have a Wilton Flip Grip 2 Vice. You can see it, oh there we go. 16-pound wood, metal, and pipe vise. All right. I have a customer of mine that was cleaning out their house and they brought this up and said, do you want this vise? I said, sure. So there is the vise. We have mounted it outside on our workbench where we work on stuff at the house. And you know, it's a really strange vise. I've never seen a vise quite like this one before. It doesn't have a swivel. It has this piece here so you can loosen it and the vise will fall on either side. Other than that, it's just like a vise. I think I tightened this thing up really tight because I didn't want it moving, because I don't really need anything. Let me see if I can get it loose. There we go. So you loosen this up here and then the vise can fall. There we go. So you can work on stuff sideways. I usually don't work on anything that way, but it could come in handy. I don't know, but I just like my vise to be straight up and down. So let's loosen this up. There we go. So you can mount it this way to hold some. I guess that it takes advantage of some things, you know, not like the vise there that you can only grab and spin it around. So thank you for giving it. It's US patent pending. I don't know how old it is, but this box looks pretty old. I bet you it's from the 70s, maybe the 80s. All right, everybody, just a quick one, just showing you some more trash that we have acquired. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my trash picking videos.